Hello 10th class, this is your social science class and today we are here to deal with chapter number 3 of economics, money and credit. The very first subtopic which we are here to discuss is money as a medium of exchange. Now all of you know that money acts as a medium of exchange. Whenever we need to buy anything, we make use of money and we buy that. Means we pay the money and we get the thing. Similarly, not only we can buy, we can sell also. You just give the product and get the money in return to that, whatever is the value of that product. That means money is working as a medium of exchange. Now let us go back in that era, in that time when money was not evolved. Before the evolution of money, one system was prevailing which is known as barter system. Barter system क्या system था? In which the goods were exchanged with the goods only. Means suppose there is a person who wants to buy wheat and he has rice, so he will give the rice and in return he will buy the wheat. This is the same example. He has given shoes and wheat, means whatever example you can take. So when there was money was not there, barter system was prevailing in which goods were exchanged with the goods, commodities were exchanged with the commodities. But this particular barter system has some issues. बार्टर सिस्टम कौन सा सिस्टम था? इन विच म्यूचुअल एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स वर डन, बट दिस पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम वॉज हैविंग सम लिमिटेशंस. Let us discuss what were the limitations. See, the first he has explained you here, double coincidence of one. Now see in the example which I gave you that I want rice and you have rice, you want wheat and I have wheat, so we can exchange the product. Now here in this example, okay, the coincidence has occurred, but suppose I don't want rice which you have, I want something else. So it was not possible कि every time the coincidence clicks. So many times we have to go to rest of the people also to find that proper arrangement कि जो बार्टर सिस्टम है उसमें गुड्स को गुड्स के साथ एक्सचेंज करना है. सो वट एवर आई नीड आई वॉन्ट दैट. See, he is a cobbler sitting here, he is a person with the wheat and he is a person with the pots. So if they need that this can be exchanged with this, okay, the things will go. But suppose I am a cobbler, I want to get wheat, but the wheat wala does not want anything from me. So this was a sheer problem. Then there was a lack of store value. मनी को स्टोर किया जा सकता है, पर गुड्स वर्सेस गुड्स वाले सिस्टम में हाउ कैन यू स्टोर वैल्यू को? कैसे स्टोर कर सकते हो आप? देन लैक ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर डेफर्ड पेमेंट. डेफर्ड पेमेंट क्या होती हैं? फ्यूचर में suppose I have borrowed some money from you and I have to pay you back after 5 years, 2 years, 3 years, so I can pay. But before the money it was not possible. I have bought these pots, मिट्टी के बने हुए बर्तन मैंने आपसे खरीदे हैं and I have to pay you back. मैंने आपसे लोन लिया या आपसे ले लिए and I have to pay you back in future. So are you sure that you can pay these backs? ये तब तक रहेंगे आपके पास. मतलब इट वॉज सो डिफ़िकल्ट दैट कोई स्टैंडर्ड नहीं था पेमेंट का कि हम फ्यूचर में उनको पेमेंट में कर सकें. देन कॉमन यूनिट ऑफ वैल्यू नहीं था. अभी तो 10 रुपीज़ मीन्स 10 रुपीज़, यू कैन बाय दिस ऑल्सो, यू कैन बाय दिस ऑल्सो, यू कैन बाय दिस ऑल्सो. बट अर्लियर व्हेन दिस बार्टर सिस्टम वॉज प्रिवेलिंग देयर वॉज लैक ऑफ कॉमन यूनिट ऑफ वैल्यू. सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट व्हेन मनी वॉज नॉट देयर. एंड after looking at the issues, the problems of the barter system, money was evolved. So in the next video we shall continue.